Hi friends, welcome to Rianza Bakes. Hope you all are doing good. Today in this video, we'll see how to make a perfect sponge for a half kg pastry cake using just 3 ingredients and also a delicious white forest cake. So first let us make the sponge for the cake. For that, here I have taken 2 eggs, a pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. You can also add 1 drop of pineapple essence here at this stage if you are very conscious about the egg smell. But usually you don't get egg smell if the egg is beaten properly with the good quality vanilla essence. And into this we'll add 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar and beat the eggs well. To make this perfect sponge, this is a very crucial step, beating of the eggs to the right consistency, because in this recipe, we are not using any baking powder. So the height of the cake and the fluffiness of the cake is dependent on how well the egg is beaten. So we'll beat this for about 4 to 5 minutes on high speed till the color changes to pale yellow. Now into this we'll add 60 grams of all-purpose flour and fold it in very gently so that we don't deflate the beaten eggs. If we are not gentle at this step, our beaten eggs will be deflated and the cake won't rise. Into this we'll add half tablespoon of water to maintain the consistency, and then we'll transfer this into a prepared cake tin. Here I have taken a 6-inch cake tin. Run a skewer through the batter to remove air bubbles if any. Tap it and we'll bake this at about 150 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. Now our cake is beautifully baked with a flat top. We'll allow this to cool down. Meanwhile, we'll grate some white chocolate, about 80 to 100 grams of white chocolate you can take. We'll grate it and keep it in the refrigerator so that it doesn't melt. Now we'll beat the whipping cream. Here I've taken Tropolite non-dairy whipping cream, 1 cup. We'll beat it on medium speed till it doubles in volume and becomes fluffy. We should be careful that we don't over whip the cream. The shine should still be there. Now this is the right consistency. Now the cake is cooled down. We'll remove the parchment paper and slice the cake into 3 layers. First make a marking and then we'll slice this. So in this cake we have not used baking powder, milk, oil or butter. Still we have got a perfect cake and it is very delicious. We can use this sponge to make any half kg pastry cake. Place some cream onto the cake board and place the first layer so that the cake doesn't move. And we'll wet this with sugar syrup. To make the sugar syrup, here I have used 3 tablespoons of sugar and half cup of water, along with 3 tablespoons of cherry syrup which comes with the canned cherry, and boil it well. We'll spread the cream and also spread some cherries which I have pitted and sliced. Now if you want to use fresh cherries, you can make a cherry compote and use it. I've already made a black forest cake using fresh cherries. You can check it up. We'll place the second layer, wet it, put the cream and decorate with cherries and white chocolate. Cover it and place the third layer, and we'll cover it with cream. Now we'll clean the cake board using a spatula and a tissue paper. Now we'll spread some white chocolate shavings and do some piping. Here I am using open French nozzle to pipe the cream, but actually we should pipe it before spreading the white chocolate, otherwise the cream will just come off, it will not stay on the cake. I also placed some cherries. Now our delicious white forest cake is ready. Hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please don't forget to press the like button and do try the recipe and let me know how it turns out. If you feel the video will be helpful to any of your friends or relatives, do share it. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Bye.